In front of me is Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, go to About Phone then, and click on About Backup and Restore. And then click on Backup My Data. And if you'd like to turn on this backup, just use the switcher. Let's go back. And as you can see, it has been already done. Your account has been applied here. However, if you're not logged in with your Google account, you will have to provide all the details like phone number or email address, whatever is connected with your Google account, also the password, and then accept all the terms and conditions. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.